In this video, we are going to rotate this sucker so the oil feed is on top and the drain is on the bottom.
It's a new life for me.
There's a Facebook group that I'm part of. It's only about 420As, which is this engine here. And when I post this picture here, Cody, I'm not gonna say his last name because I don't know if he wants or not, but Cody K, he helped me. He actually identified that my return line is on top, so this is not clocked properly, right? And then some other people joined the discussion. Cody is the one that found out. Thank you, Cody. I watched a video on Real Street Performance, J, and he was talking about turbo oil etiquette. I don't know how to say that in English, but anyway, it was very good information, so we're gonna do that now. Blake B, Todd J, and Tyler M were in the discussion. Thank you all. Tyler is the one that said something about 15 degrees. So yes, he's right. If I put straight up, it's good, but 15 degrees is the maximum that is factory spec for the oil drain to work properly. Alright, so let's do it. Thank you guys, and let's work. Okay, so this is what we need to do. 13 millimeter. We lose all those bolts here for the hot side, and from the cold side, and this is gonna get wiggly, and as you see, we can move. Okay, so we move. And also in my case, so you have the same bolts you have in here, you have on the cold house. So I'm gonna show you, but I took them all out already. Here, right? And the same thing happens. You are able to move this. So I'm going to move both, but the problem is this wasn't moving because the guy put some gasket material in here. So I couldn't turn. I needed to remove, get a screwdriver. I put a screwdriver here on the back side and hammer a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. So I just hope that I didn't damage this internal part. It doesn't look like I did, but I need to put this up and this here down. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this comes off here. Oh wow. Well, so let me do like this first. I guess I'll need to do the same thing I did before. There you go. I don't know what the deal is. There you go. Try to do the same. There you go. Oof. I just hope I didn't hit the turbine. Doesn't look like it. And so I'm gonna turn this the way I want. This is just bothering us there. Where's my phone? Someone, I think it was Tyler. Tyler said 15 degrees and he was right. So what I'm going to do is, I have an app in here somewhere, and I'm gonna put this on top of this part. Of course, it's gotta be sideways, and yeah, it's either 0.7 and I guess 15 degrees is like around here. So till here would be fine. So I rotated this guy. My turbo was a 13 millimeter. I don't know if all of them are the same. So I'm going to tie those down. I'm gonna tie all the other ones, but you just need to get the basic idea. Lose those here, and you are able to wiggle as you need. I'm not gonna add gasket anymore until I'm sure that I need it. So for now I'm just gonna assemble it and done. Okay, so this is very tight. I twisted the way I want. So now my turbo is pointing, my cone housing is pointing this way, and I have the oil feed properly aligned. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I've never done this before, and this being challenged and fun. And I appreciate guys' help, especially Cody that told me that I should clock this, and I would never pick this up. A few minutes ago, my friend from Japan texted me and said, "Hey dude, you need to put your oil line." So, you know, I have friends, I have people I can count on, and of course, like nice people like those 4 guys that were took their time to you know, comment on my picture and see what they could find. And you know, some people just say, hey, nice, cool, looks good, and some people are a little more critical. Some critic is valid, like this. I mean, it would not work very well. You know, I would build my whole thing and all of a sudden it's going to start smoking. I was like, oh, what? And if you have a chance, check out Cody's YouTube. He has a bunch of cool videos of him drag racing, so it's pretty entertaining. His user is glowryder with a Y. I might put in here. Let me see. Or here. And it'll be on the description. But anyway, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. And this is going to, if you can, this is going to give me a hand. And you know, it's always support for me to keep building cars. There are some other cars I want to build, and of course there's my drift cars outside. I gotta get this done so we can go for a ride. He's snowy, so I gotta get that done, go for a little ride, and get the drift car put inside here and do a bunch of other stuff in there. Subscribe if you can. Check out my blog, www.carmodsgarage.com. It's running a little behind, but it'll be there very soon. Later.